Hey, Grease Monkey. My car's been making this god-awful squeaking sound. What the hell did you not fix last time?
Good morning to you too, sunshine. Did the squeak start after you ran over every curb in the damn city?
Real funny, Cam. Maybe if you stopped flirting with your damn wrench and actually did your job, I wouldn't be back every damn week.
Lady, your car is crying for help. I don't think it's the squeak that's the problem. It's the driver who thinks her glove box is a microwave.
That's it. Next time I'm going to that sketchy garage down the block. At least they don't charge me to insult me.
Yeah, and next time your brakes fail, don't come crying to me when you roll through a Wendy's drive-thru in reverse. Now listen, that squeak you're hearing is probably your brake pads wearing thin